Hello everyone, it's Fiona from Lavender Blue, and I'm back to show you a new printable. So I've got the new printable kit, which is called BeeHappy, and it's obviously to do with bees and beekeeping. And then I've also made up another kit with some hand painted papers, which sort of go along with this one and keeping with this one, so that I can use that in my journal. But when I come to the hand painted papers, it will be a separate kit, so you can use it with any kit, or you can use it on your own, just like the other hand painted ones and any other hand painted ones that I'll be doing. You don't necessarily have to use them with the kit. So I'm just going to go through and give you a quick peek before I actually put my journal together. So this is the cover page, and of course you can use any page that you wish as the cover page, but this is just the one that I've chosen. We have a little vintage image here, beekeeping book from an old book, some roses and a bee and some lace. And then I've printed that one off again because I'll be using it inside the journal as well. We've got this page here with some beautiful white flowers and some more bees there. And this one. We've got this one. Some beautiful pink roses and bees and the little hexagon shapes there. This one, I've added in a little bit of green there to the kit. These ones, this one, it's got the old hive syrup label there as well. That one, this one, and yep, that's the printable. I haven't done any tags or pockets or anything to go with that one just yet, but I will be doing some ephemera as well. So that one's already listed in my Etsy, and this is the hand painted one. This page here is actually a page that I dyed with turmeric, because I ran out of yellow ink, and I was thinking, you know, there must be something else that I can use. I wanted to dye some lace as well, and so I just got some turmeric and I put it in a little spray bottle. Well, first of all, I made it up. I put about a cup of warm water with about 2 teaspoons of turmeric, and then just mixed it all up, put it in a spray bottle, and sprayed it onto my paper. Well, some of it I painted on. You can either paint it on or spray it on, and it gives this beautiful golden colour. With my lace, I just dipped that into the cup of mixture that I'd made, and oh, it's beautiful. Just this beautiful golden yellow that I really love. So I'm going to be using that, and I loved how this turned out so much that I might even try some other sort of spices, maybe like chili for a nice reddish orange, and cinnamon maybe. I'm not sure how that would turn out, but yeah, I'm just going to give it more of a try. If any of you have tried using spices or herbs, let me know. It'd be good to see how they turned out. So that's just an extra, that turmeric paper. And these are some of the painted designs. So I've used a little hexagon stencil there with the turmeric in the background, and this one with a darker yellow. So you get 10 pages in the kit, as in double pages, and you'll get 10 of the hand painted ones as well. That's a nice bright yellow with some queen bee stamping. And in this one it's actually gold mixed with yellow. I've painted the back gold, and then I added in some olive green because there was some touches of green in the kit. This one is painted with green and gold. I don't know if you can see the gold, but I've done that with the little hexagon stencil that I had. This one I've painted with a pale yellow, like Naples yellow, and put some little crown and bee stamps all around. And this one, it's a mixture of yellow ochre and a medium yellow I've painted, and then I've stamped with some white bees. And this one's with yellow paint. I put it in a spray bottle mixed with water and used the stencil again. And this one is on some watercolour paper. So I've used a hexagon stencil there, and this one I used some dots, and then I just splashed some paint around. And the reason why I did this one on watercolour paper is I want to actually back this one onto my cover, which I printed in cardstock. That's not the one, that's where my printer ran out of ink actually. So I'm going to back that one onto there so that it makes the cover a bit more sturdy. And then I've just done a few little tags on some watercolour paper with my spray paint. And I might even, I'll probably do more on these. I'll probably do some collaging or a bit more decorating on these to dress them up a bit. So that is the BeeHappy kit, and when my journal's finished I'll be back with a flip through. I'll link everything below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.